How to create this 3D map route animation. First, you need to download and install Strava for GPS data and Relive for map animation. Open Strava app. Tap Record button. And then tap Start button. Let it run until you arrive your destination. Go to your home page. I always capture photo before start of ride. After 4 hours and 28 minutes, we have arrived to our destination. Tap Finish button. Type and set the name of your activity. Tap Save Activity. Wait until uploading finish. How to export the GPS data activity to Relive. Exit Strava app. Open any browser. Mine I use Safari. Type and enter strava.com. Sign up using Google account or Apple or Facebook account. Select the name of the activity saved. Zoom in to able to tap the 3-dot button. Tap 3-dot button and select Export GPX to download the file. Prompt appear and tap Download. Tap the Download button to check if finished downloading. And it's done. Exit the app and open Relive app. You must have an account also by signing in using your Google account. Tap Import. Then find and select the file downloaded. Tap the downloaded file and tap Open. This may take a few minutes to finish the import. Fast forward. Tap Create a Relive Video button. Type and set the title of the animation. Choose an activity. Select Driving. Choose a video orientation, horizontal or vertical. Choose and select photos you captured along the ride. You can only select 10 photos for this free account. Then tap Create button. This may take a few minutes to create. Fast forward. Another few minutes. And it's done. Tap Play button and save the file to your phone gallery. Exit the app and open Gallery. Select and play the video animation.